In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to redeem a promo code for Snapchat Plus. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now go ahead and type in Snapchat redeem promo code. Different website links will appear. You'll also find the website link for redeeming Snapchat Plus promo code. In case you didn't find it, search for Snapchat redeem code Snapchat Plus and search for it. Now you'll be able to find this link, Snapchat promo redeem page. Click on that. With that, you'll be directed to this page. You'll be prompted to enter your Snapchat account's credentials. Type in the username or email and the password. Once logged in, you'll be able to redeem your promo code. Now here, type in the code that you want to redeem. After you type in that, click on continue. If the code is valid, Snapchat will verify it and guide you through the remaining steps. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to select your Snapchat Plus subscription plan and activate your free trial or promotional offer. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.